and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. Today we're going to be going through the box, GlossyBox. I have a promotion this month and I will be giving away this exact box. All I need you to do is follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and post a comment down below what your favorite product was. Let's get into it. All right, right on top there are Vital Protein Collagen Peptides. It's something you can put into your drink. There's 2 of those. And then there's a flyer, Geico. And let me get the box out. It's a box inside of a box. So here we have it. GlossyBox. All right, we'll open this up and right on top is the flyer that probably talks about each item. And yes, that is what it is. I've not looked inside this, so it's going to be a surprise to me as well. Now, I don't see that they talk about these protein collagens, so let me take a look. It's Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides, 10 grams of collagen per serving, skin, hair, nail, and joint support, grass-fed, pasture-raised, unflavored dietary supplement. So this is all one. This is one serving, and you would pour it into either your coffee or tea, water, because it is unflavored. So there's 2 of these to give a try. I know these are quite popular and been talked about a lot here on YouTube. All right, well, let's get into the next item. And here we're gonna take this right out. As so. And everything's coming out. Well, I'll untie it instead. There. And then we have the tissue paper. Here is everything. All right, the first item I see on the top is Ageless Concentrate. It's by PiperWai. All right, let's read about this and see what this is. It's a concentrate. So, it's a deluxe mini sample, and it is, like I said, the Ageless Concentrate. Including rare extracts found only in the Bicol region of the Philippines. I probably butchered the name of that poor town, but it's of the Philippines. This powerful formula was created to nourish skin deep from within. Pili oil concentrates have anti-aging benefits, while elemi oil extracts have firming properties, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and supple. This deluxe mini sample is worth $8, and this is 3 milliliters. If you were to purchase the full size, it's 40 milliliters and is $62. So as an extra tip for application, sorry about the squeaking in the back. The dogs are playing with their new toys. Back to this. The tip is gently pat 2 to 3 drops all over your face, neck, and décolleté, and follow with a moisturizer. So this is a serum that you would put under. Let's open it up and see. Well, come on. Sometimes these are harder to get out than they are to put back in. There. Ooh, that's a little sample, but this is a mini. So there we have it. Okay. All right, a serum to put under your moisturizer. That's the first product. And then the second one. Now I know I've seen this company's products in other boxes, and I hope I'm saying it right. If anybody knows how to say this properly, please correct me in the comments. Naobe, natural and organic. This is a Freedom Low pH Hemp and Green Tea Gentle Cleanser. There we go. All right. Let's see, what do they tell us about this product? Naobe Cosmetics. This is a full-size item, and it is the cleanser that I mentioned. The first step to any skincare routine, both day and night, is cleansing, formulated to delicately remove dirt and daily impurities while respecting the skin's acid mantle. This vegan and cruelty-free, awesome, gel cleanser will leave your skin feeling refreshed without stripping away all the natural oils. And this has a retail value of $18.20. And the pro tip on this product is just gently massage into damp skin and rinse with lukewarm water. This would work great with my Clairsonic face scrubber. I look forward to giving this a try. All right, that's product number 2. Then here we have PiperWai. I think it's PiperWai. There we go. And it is a deluxe mini. It is a natural deodorant cream. I don't know what I think about that. Deodorant cream. That means dipping your fingers in this little pot and smoothing it on your skin, your underarm. All right. 1 ocean waste plastic product from PiperWai is equal to 10 plastic bags out of the ocean. This activated charcoal deodorant is formulated with clean ingredients that melt into your armpits, absorb moisture, and provide long-lasting odor protection, making it sustainable and effective. Well, that I can get behind for sure. All right, this is a deluxe mini worth $6. The full size would be 60 milliliters worth $13. Okay, and here they suggest rub into skin with fingers until completely clear, reapply after bathing and exercise. Well, it's definitely something I'm gonna give a try since it is sustainable and they say effective. All right, it is also made with 100% recyclable ocean waste plastic. That's fantastic, I like that. All right, then, looks like, oh goodness, this is a huge size. This is Seed Phytonutrients Moisture Conditioner. This is a huge bottle. This is fantastic. Wow. Okay, well, let's learn about it. This is our 4th product. And it says it is a full-size product. Moisture conditioner. What does it say on here? With hydrating meadow foam seed oil for dry, damaged hair. Perfect. Okay. This vegan, silicone-free formula is designed to replenish dry, coarse, or damaged hair. Organic meadow foam seed oil provides deep hydration for healthy, soft, shiny hair, while mango butter, wow, that sounds good. While mango butter helps manage dry ends and flyaways. The retail value of this is $18. That's not a bad price for a good conditioner. It is black tea and ginger aroma. Let's check that out. Black tea and ginger. Oh, it does. I definitely get the ginger scent. It's a very nice scent. Okay, the pro tip for this is massage 1 to 2 pumps into clean, wet hair. Rinse after 1 minute. Okay, well, fantastic. Supporting independent American farmers who grow our sunflower seeds. Oh, that's wonderful. Very cool. I'm really excited about that product. And the packaging is, this is cardboard. Must be with some recyclable plastic beneath it then. All right, before I get into the very last product, why don't I tell you a little bit about GlossyBox. GlossyBox is a beauty subscription, as you clearly see. I am reading from my little journal, so bear with me. There's always a promo code for your very first box. And this month's promo code is Paradise16, and you get your first box for $16. And that's exactly what I did. Month to month, it is generally $21. If you commit to buying for the year, it comes down to a monthly cost of $18. But if you prepay for the whole, let's say 3 months, it comes out to $19.50 a month. If you prepay for 6 months, it is $18.50. And if you pay for the, pardon me, if you prepay for the whole year, it comes down to $17.50 a box. I like these products, and I think what I might do is commit to a year and then paying monthly, because that's $18. That's still a pretty good price for full-size products. You always get 5 products each month. They have all different ways of earning what they call glossy credit. They have a glossy credit program where you earn money by referring or doing surveys or writing reviews for them. Credit can then be used to shop on GlossyBox.com or their partner website, which is LookFantastic.com. Watch your email through the month, and you can purchase different products that they offer at a discounted price. So our last product in the box, which would be our 5th product, is by Josephine, and it is Josephine Cosmetics. This is a Do You Flawless Liquid Highlighter. All right, it is Glorious Health. The color appears to be Meat Claire. Okay, the packaging is very sleek. Very, very cool. And you can see some of the product in the bottom. But this looks very chic. Let's see. This is very heavily pigmented, and I'll show you. There we go. There, I think you can see that. You would definitely have to shear this out a bit, because that you can't just streak on. But there, I blended it out just a little, and you can still see it there. That's really nice. Wonderful. Well, what do they say here? Illuminate your best features with just a swipe of this Luxe Natural Complexion Enhancer, infused with skin-nourishing green tea extract, evening primrose, and luminous radiance pearls that captures and reflects light for a healthy, dimensional, sun-kissed, dewy finish. This is a full-size product, and the retail value is $36. They suggest you swipe onto your skin and blend with fingertips onto cheeks, nose, brow bone, or use on the eyelids for a subtle, fresh finish. So you could use it as an eyeshadow if you blend it out. Well, this has been wonderful. This, just an FYI, is their June box. And remember, I am doing a drawing and giving away a box that's identical to the items you saw. All you need to do is follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and comment down below what your favorite product would be to try. Thank you so much for hanging out and going over GlossyBox with me. You have a great day.